Kumachielo ni Wakeyni majotelo mawuok e riwruogno mar Azimio wan Kenya koro kwayo mondo gai mar ODM oluor Raila Odinga mabende laro kom ker e bwo riwruogno mar Azimio wan Kenya obi okaw jatend NAK Kenya Mikai Martha Karua obed jalupne gilar godo kom ker yiero matarik 9 dwe mar 8 higani eri. Wakeyni go eko mabende ne loso e kinde mane giromo kod Mikai Martha Karua owacho ni Karua osechung' motegno kod dongruoge ma pacho kaendi moriwo kanyakla kedo ne ratiro mag oganda kata mag jopiny ka giwacho ni chiwo ne thuolo mar bedo jalup moluor Raila Odinga biro bedo okang' makare ne piny Kenya e weche go eko mag dongruoge.
We are a great country with a lot of resources, both human and otherwise. But we are a country with a deficit of good leadership, uongozi bora. We are a country with a deficit of trust, deficit of leaders of integrity, deficit of value-based leadership. And when we talk of a deficit in the leadership, don't you forget that it is we, the voters, who select from among us the leaders. It means as a country we have lowered the bar and we have accepted that anything goes. And that is why all manner of persons can stand before you and seek your vote, and you will lend your ears.
In broad daylight, we are saying we are fronting Martha Karua as the deputy of Azimio Alliance. And we have reasons, because we believe she is the best. She is a leader. Yes, she is a woman, but we don't see her as a woman. We see her as a leader, opportune for the time we are in terms of delivering this country in the socio-political and economic dynamics 2022-2027.